Is this how birds sleep? I guess it is. He's found a perch. He's found his roosting spot. Problem is, it's on my door. He'd stay there all day if I let him. Hey. Where do birds go when, at night? I mean, if they nest in the trees, you think we'd see them. But they just seem to vanish, during the day, the sky's full of birds. Then they all just disappear. I guess end up like this, sitting somewhere in a cosy cove or nook or a cranny. Is he asleep or is he preening? He's asleep, isn't he? Yeah, he is. Well, it's all very nice and all, but it's getting cold in here. If I had a perch, but I don't. So look. Yeah, he's asleep. Well, at least he feels safe here. After all this time, I bet it's a female. He's a one in a million. There's no other bird like him around. In all my years living here, I've never seen a bird act like this. He's just so solitary. I've never seen him fly around with any other magpie. He's always on his own. Oh, you're awake. Wait, now you're asleep. He's always on the ground, scavenging, being a mischief. Yeah. He agrees. So, I don't know what to do. So look, there you go. I mean, he's so different from other magpies, is that his tail is so relatively short. So when he flies around, I know it's him, because he flies like no other magpie. For some reason his tail is just not as long as a normal standard magpie. That's how I can tell it's him whenever I see him, or whenever I see another magpie. It's like, I know it's not him. Yeah. I'm talking about you. Oh dear. Yeah, you're awake now. Oh, no, you're asleep. I'm going to try and wake him up. Come on. Big butt. Yeah, he's in for the night. Come on. Oi. Oh. Oh, he's sleeping. Is he dreaming? A few days ago I was whistling at him and just out of the blue, he whistled back. Not once, twice. So I was like, yeah. So I was like, yes, I know it. I knew it. I knew that magpies were mimics, but to see it for myself, I was like, wow. He whistled twice. Clear as day, he whistled. I've been trying to get him to do it ever since, but no, he won't do it. So he says, "Shut up." He says, "Shut up, I'm trying to sleep." Cheeky. It's amazing it's still around. He knows where to come. He just flies straight into my kitchen now. He knows where I am. I put the light on, he knows where I am. It's amazing. Out of nowhere, he'll fly right past my head. I can feel him like literally fly straight past my head. I feel the draft as he flies in. It's like out of nowhere. Yeah. Come on, it's time. He says, "Stop waking me, I'm trying to sleep." But anyway.